Hi guys, so today we are taking a flavorful journey to the heart of Kerala with a classic dish, Kerala style beef curry. This rich and robust curry is a staple in Kerala cuisine. Known for its bold flavors and aromatic spices, will be slow cooking tender pieces of beef in a flavorful blend of spices, including coriander, chili, and garam masala, all simmered in a creamy coconut milk. Get ready for an explosion of South Indian flavors. This recipe is a perfect balance of spicy, savory, and creamy. Whether you are a fan of Kerala cuisine or looking to try something new, this beef curry is a must try. So now let's begin. So first take 1 kg beef cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 green chili chopped, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then take the pressure cooker and add the marinated beef. Then add 1 cup water and cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles until the beef is nice and soft. So the beef is cooked and then leave it aside. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 3 onions sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. Then add some salt to taste. Add 3 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon garam masala, and fry the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Then add the cooked beef. And give it a nice mix. Then add 1 cup water. Add 20 to 25 curry leaves, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give it a nice mix. And add 1 stock cube, 1 cup coconut milk, and then give it a nice mix. Then boil it until the curry is nice and thick. And then give it a final mix. As you can see that the curry is nice and thick now. And there you have it guys, a rich and flavorful Kerala style beef curry. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your curry turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Kerala style beef curry as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. It's a truly authentic taste of Kerala and a wonderful way to experience the region's culinary heritage. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.